We are going to do the traditional Goan fish curry called caril de peixe in Portuguese. We are using the pomfret or the black pomfret, which is also called halwa, and the fish has already been marinated with turmeric and salt and a little lime juice. And now this is the Goan fish curry masala, which is homemade by us and will be available with home cuisine, which we will use to make the curry. And the first step will be to grind the masala for the fish, for which we need grated coconut, freshly grated coconut, which we will add the fish curry masala into. A tablespoon of masala, and add enough of water and grind it in a mixie to make it into a smooth paste. Fish curry is completely oil free. Not a drop of oil is made in it. It's not sauteed, it's not fried. Everything is just cooked in the gravy, and the fish is cooked in the gravy. It's not fried and put inside. That's a difference from other fish curries where some people fry the fish and then put it into the curry, or they fry the onions and then fry the masala. This masala is never fried. It's just all boiled together. So I'm putting in the grated coconut and the fish curry masala into the mixie. You can add about a cup of water, enough to make it into a smooth paste. If you have time, you can keep it soaked for a while so that the coconut soaks in the water and it's easier to grind. Now the masala is ground really fine. The masala is quite thick, so we add more water to it. To this we will add the ginger garlic paste. You can either grind it along with the masala, but since it's already made into paste, you can even put it straight into the curry. And we add salt, about half a teaspoon, and the onions go straight into the curry along with the green chili. So you put in a little salt along with the onions and mix it well, the onions and the chilies together. You put it into the curry and then cook it. Please note there is no oil, no frying. It's just cooked in this gravy. And you add a few pieces of kokum. This is the dry kokum that you get. You can either soak it in, if it's very dry, you can soak it in water for a little while before using it. If it's fresh, you can put it directly into the curry. And now you just wait till it cooks. The salt is enough. We need a little bit more salt. Remember that the fish also is salted, so you can taste it once more before taking it off the fire. Cook this, and a little bit of tamarind, about a teaspoonful of tamarind. This is absolutely to your taste. You can add more if you want to, if you want it very sour. So this mixture has to come to the boil. So you just leave it till it starts bubbling and the raw smell of the masala goes away. I'm adding just a little bit more of tamarind to make it a little bit more sour. The taste of the curry in a mud and cooked over firewood is of course a different taste altogether, but since most of us can't cook with firewood, the least we could do is have a chatty on top of the gas. Low because it's really bubbly. And put in the pieces of fish very gently. As I told you earlier, the fish has already been marinated with turmeric and salt and a little lime juice. The lime juice is to cut away the very fishy smell if you don't like it. Please remember, when you make fish curry, never ever stir it both sides and just turn it around very gently. If you use a metal spoon or dig into it too much, you will break up the fish. So use either a wooden spoon or one of these if you can lay your hands on it. And just wait for it to cook slowly. The water will also come out of the fish. With a spatula you can gently turn the pieces over so that they cook on both sides. Leave it to cook on its own. Fish doesn't take very much time. In about 10 minutes, 15 minutes it should be done. Now our fish is cooked and we're just going to add a little bit of coconut milk. You can use a powdered coconut milk. I'm using Maggi. Or you can also grind the coconut and extract the milk. This is just to top it up, to give it a nice flavor at the end. And that's it, your fish curry is done. And this goes best with rice, particularly the unpolished red rice or ukade tandul from Goa.